Shake hands.
Okay,
So you will be interviewing people for the nutrition month, okay? Organizers, Sir Russell and Kulu.
May sir dito malulang.
Sir Russell.
This
interview has to be done before the activities or the contest and things like that will be done. One time after
fully ito muna.
is what their expectation, preparation nila para sa nutrition month. Okay?
Tapos, syempre, pag nandun na, yung mismo nangyayari.
Next week na.
Next week to.
Before our next meeting na
nangyayari.
Kung kaya nyo before Monday, okay yan.
Ito before tsaka yung mismo yung ano.
Yung
Tapos
activities
yung
na
results, makapanalo sa contest.
Yes,
Yung debate, kung alin ba yung tinakalis ng debate. Okay? Naintindihan mo, Pat?
you'll interview the organizers of the nutrition month, the theme. You will write a story about the team, and you will interview the organizers with Sir Russell and Sir Bal.
Ano bang?
Ma'am Malu, sorry.
Ano po bang mix ng
Okay? And Ace. Ace also, the organizer of Ace. Ano yung Ace? Si Jewel yung president. Sabi niya si Jewel also.
Yung tingnan niyo na lang sa
Oh, before. Kasi yun na yun.
pagkatapos din yung result.
Kasi yun na yun yung interview nila, yung preparation nila. Anong preparation nila, expectation nila. Tapos na activities at tapos ng nutrition month, magiging ano na yan. Magiging result na, diba?
Alam mo yung sinasabi yung tinuro ko sa inyo noon na ano, diba yun? Prophecy news, diba? Yun yung, ito yun. Tapos yung on the spot is